Aduh, selamat! us to prayer as this one day Mataram.
Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sitalam, Sasya Syamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Suprajoshna Purakitayamini, Kullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini, Sumadura Bhashini, Sukadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Includes the school captains, the assistant school captains, sports leaders, leaders of the various houses, leaders in charge of discipline, literary in charge, cultural in charge, and the leaders of the book club. Light represents knowledge, purity, and power. I invite our chief guest, Mrs. M.L.K. Ratnamala, our principal, Sister Belsie Jones, and Sister Naomi, along with school captain S. Nikhil and P. Saranya Lakshmi, assistant school captains C.H. Ranjan and P. Sri Vaishnavi Bharta, sports leaders Martin Anthony and C.H. Tulsi to come forward for the lighting of the lamp. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, sisters, and my dear children. Of badges and sashes. For this, I request our chief guest, Ratnamala teacher, and our principal, Sister Belsie Jones, and Sister Naomi, to do the honors. I begin with our school captain, S. Nikhil. Please come forward onto the stage. Girls School Captain P. Saranya Lakshmi. Assistant School Captain Boy C.H. Ranjan.
फोटो नहीं मेरे देखते
Assistant School Captain P. Vaishnavi Bharta.
Badge on it!
Sports captain for boys, Martin Anthony.
Badge on it!
Sports captain for girls, C.H. Kulisi.
Badge on it!
Discipline leader for boys, U. Dhanush.
Badge on it!
Discipline leader for girls, M. Lasya.
సురేష్ ఫొటోస్ అన్నీ ఇలాగే తీయండి ఇలా ఉంటే వస్తుంది
Badge on it!
Cultural in charges, G. Sarani.
Badge on it!
Cultural in charge, D. Maitri.
Badge on it!
Literary in charge, S. Lipsita.
Badge on it!
And literary in charge, M. Havisa.
Badge on it!
Moving on to the house leaders. First we have Satya House Boy Leader, Ayan Zahir Siddiq. House Boys Leader Y. Satvik.
Badge honor.
Dharma House Leader for Girls M. Renuka Swarupini. Prema House Boys Leader N. Nama Shashank. Prema House Girls Leader Joshita Sindhu. Shanti House Boys Leader P. Vishnu. And last, Shanti House Girls Leader G. Manasa Durga. Thank you very much, teacher and dear sisters, for doing the honors. Congratulations to all our student leaders. Leadership is not about a title or a designation. It's about the impact, influence and inspiration. I now invite our school captain, S. Nikhil, to lead the oath-taking ceremony.
I, S. Nikhil, as a member of the Student Council, do solemnly resolve that, with effect from today, I will act as a responsible member of the council, be a role model for myself and others. In true sense, help my school in shifting of focus from literacy, to real education, contribute very actively and enthusiastically, complete the given agenda, be a true link between the students and the school management, give constructive feedback to enhance the educational standard of our school. Be an asset and not mere a liability for my school, family and society around. Participate in all brain-stirring sessions with full preparation and attention. To demonstrate constructive outcomes of given responsibility to me. Be instrumental in handing over our duties to the next council with a loud and clear educational message in the end of the academic session.
We will now have a special display of the vision, mission and motto of the school.
Write down better.
Teachers, parents, and all my students. Today, I stand before you in the honor and humble to have been elected as a school captain. First, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who believed in me and gave me their support. This role is not just a title, but a responsibility that I am committed to upholding with integrity, dedication, and enthusiasm. As we begin this new chapter, I envision the school environment where every student feels valued, heard, and inspired. Together, we will strive for excellence, not just in academics, but in all aspects of school life, fostering a community of kindness, respect, and cooperation. To my fellow students, I am here to listen to your ideas, address your concerns, and work alongside you to make our school a place where we are all proud of. Let us embrace the challenges ahead with courage and the opportunities with open hearts and minds. Thank you once again for this incredible opportunity. Let's make this year memorable and impactful together. Thank you.
Thank you, Lincoln.
Teachers, faculty, proud parents, and my dear students. I am honored here to be with you today as the chief guest for your investiture ceremony. This is a special day for all of you as you take a new responsibility and leadership role. Being chosen as a leader is a great honor and a big responsibility. It means that others trust you to set a good example and to guide them. Remember, leadership is not just about giving orders. It's about listening, understanding, and helping others. Be kind, be fair, and always do your best. Take pride in your new role and work hard. Your actions and decisions will shape the future of your school. Believe in yourself and in each of others. Together, we can achieve a great things. Congratulations to all of you, and I wish you all the best for your new session. And before closing it, I just thank heartful gratitude to the principal, Mr. Bensi Jose, who gave me this opportunity as a chief guest in this school. Being a teacher, I am very thankful to her, and it's a milestone to me as I am going to retire within short time. Thank you for the best lecture.
Lecturer.
I'm very pleasant morning to one and all gathered over here. Mrs. M.L.K. Ratnamala, the Chief Guest of the day, Sister Naomi, esteemed faculty members, and my dearly beloved students, especially the student leaders. Today we gather here to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our student leaders. The investiture ceremony marks the beginning of a new chapter where our young leaders will take responsibilities, make decisions, and shape the future of our school community. To our newly elected student leaders, I'd like to offer you few words of wisdom that would help you to exercise your responsibilities well. Dear children, remember, leadership is not about titles or positions, but about actions and impact. Remember, with great responsibilities with great power comes great responsibilities. Always remember to lead with empathy, kindness, and integrity. Listen to the voice of your friends and work together towards a common goal. Be the change you wish to see in our school and in the world. And I would like to tell something to our students, the student body. I encourage you, dear students, to support and work collaboratively with your leaders. Remember that every voice matters and every action counts. Let us all work together to make this academic year 2024-25 an amazing one. Thank you.
Thank you, sister. Your message is truly inspiring.